Hey, how's it going guys? So in this video, I will be going over some of the major features that happened with Selenium 4 in under 4 minutes. So let's get started. So the Selenium project migrated to an entirely new protocol, which is the W3C protocol, and they no longer will be using the JSON wire protocol. So why did this happen? Well, because all of the recent browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, including Internet Explorer, are considered W3C compliant. And the reason it's done that way is so that all browsers are developed same way and there is no compatibility issues. Now this migration will ensure that the test runs consistently across all of these browsers. Now as Selenium WebDriver and web browsers use the same protocol, the flakiness in the web automation can be considerably reduced if a standard protocol is being used, hence improving the stability of our test. With W3C protocol, you also have richer actions API support, which lets you do things like multi-touch actions, zoom in, zoom out, pressing two keys simultaneously, and many more. So aside from the protocol chain, there's also a bunch of changes for the Grid 4 as well. One of the essential improvements in Selenium 4 is the ability to use Docker to spin up containers instead of users setting up heavy virtual machines on their own. Selenium Grid has also been redesigned so the users can deploy Kubernetes for better scaling capabilities. And there's also been improved user-friendly GUI which lets you view all your sessions along with a VNC player plugged in to watch the videos of the test that are running within the container. And finally, Selenium Grid has also supports for IPv6 addresses now along with IPv4, and you can now communicate to HTTPS protocol using Grid 4 as well. Selenium 4 also came up with new Locator Strategy which is a bit more friendly compared to the ones we have been using so far, because this one is based on the visual representation. And you can do things like finding element located below a specified element, or to the left of, to the right of, above, or near a specified element. But be careful with using the selector strategy because if the UI layout will change, then your test will likely fail as well. The next change is that with Selenium 4, you also get access to the Chrome debugging protocol, which also has a set of APIs that lets you do things like viewing console logs, intercepting network requests, performing basic auths, or throttling network performance. But since this is Chrome debugging protocol, it will only work with Chromium-based browsers. However, Selenium team is working on getting WebDriver bidirectional protocol implemented for all the browsers so that you are not limited with a particular browser or a particular version. Aside from Selenium 4 changes, we also have a brand new Selenium IDE with improved UI and better user experience. It also comes with its own command line runner to run tests in any browsers in parallel or on our grid. This IDE also ships with an extensive control flow structure with available commands such as if, while, and times in your IDE itself. Selenium IDE also records multiple locators for each element it interacts with, so if one of your locator fails during playback, the other will be tried until one is successful. With the new Selenium IDE, you also have option to export your code in different languages such as Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, and JavaScript. And this IDE can also be extended through the use of plugins as well. With that guys, it's a wrap of all the major new features of Selenium 4. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with others. Also, you can follow me on Twitter for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching everyone. I will see you all in the next one.